I'm gonna get their bomb. I'm gonna get their bomb.
Oh, yeah, where is it?
Still sitting on the. Hey, can you keep on covering? Dead man, dead man, dead man!
Hello everybody, today we have a pretty lengthy but intense game of Hot Potato and Team Deathmatch at Tactical Airsoft Arena. For those not familiar with Hot Potato, it's a game type where you have to run a bomb to the enemy team's spawn area, and that's how you score. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Go, keep pushing, I got the side, I got the... Hit! Hit! Watch out, watch out, watch out. I caught on a couple guys over there. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Let's go, let's go.
Good train.
Gun it. Keep going. You can go in this room. I got you covered. You can go in that room. Hit! I got you. Good score, man. Hit! I'm gonna get their bomb. I'm gonna get their bomb.
Oh, yeah, where is it?
Still sitting on the. Hey, can you keep on covering? Dead man, dead man. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Shoot back. Shoot back. Hit! Good shot!
Watch close, watch close.
I know, man, that guy's definitely gone, but I don't think he feels it. Hit! Good shot. Dead man. Excuse me, guys. Dead man, dead man, dead man.
Come on, let him out.
Alrighty. Watch out, watch out. Sorry about that. Oh, good shot, man.
That wraps up this long but intense video. There was a lot of shooting. Really hope it kept you entertained. If you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments. Take care. See you next time.